Okay, here it is, the latest Facebook Marketplace find. We got a Yamaha SX700R 2001, the big greasy triple. Here is the original ad. I'll show you another picture here of it in a second. Take a peek at this beauty. Let's go through what the, what's it say here? 2001 SX700R runs and drives, needs carb cleaned and fuel tank drained, has roughly 3,000 miles, new skis, seat needs recovered, ran well enough to pull into the shop. Sled is premix 50-1. So we went and looked at this thing, compression tested the engine, all 3 cylinders, 125 psi even. That's good enough compression. Seller was asking $1,000 for it. Offered him $700, and he said yes. So we loaded the beast up. So here it is on the trailer. We got her back, and then we took it for a quick test drive. All right, I'm gonna cut in here with the voiceover again. One quick note: I forget to turn the choke off. So I do a whole lap with the choke on, thinking, man, this thing runs like crap. But I figure it out later. So you'll see.
Choke's on, gas on. Start it up. Oh shit, I had the choke on the whole time. No wonder. Oh baby, that's more like it. Oh shit. Oh, look at that beauty.